Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to tell about how to select stocks for intraday trading. Stock selection is the main and important thing in day trading. Who are trading on indexes like Nifty or Bank Nifty, they don't need to scan or select stock because indexes are limited in numbers but stocks are many around 1000 to 2000 stocks. Always ask, is this stock is moving because the overall market is moving, or is it moving because it has a unique fundamental catalyst? What is fundamental catalyst? If the market is running and these stocks are also running too, that's fine. You just want to ensure you are trading stocks that are moving because they have a fundamental reason to move and are not just moving with the overall market conditions. That is stocks in play. You may ask, what is the fundamental catalyst for stocks in play that make them suitable for day trading? Stocks in play generally have unexpected fresh news, that is positive or negative. The behavior of stocks that have high relative volume is independent of the overall market. They are stocks in play. Here are some examples which can be stocks in play from unexpected fresh news, either positive or negative. Earning reports, earnings warnings or pre-announcements, earning surprises, FDA approvals or disapprovals, mergers, acquisitions, alliances, partnership, major product releases, major contract wins or losses, restructurings, layoffs, management changes, stock splits, buybacks or debt offerings. For stock selection, we have to follow these steps. First step, scan to see where there is volume in the pre-market. Second, identify the stocks that is the pre-market gapped off or down at least 2%. Third, stocks that have traded at least 50,000 shares in the pre-market. Fourth, stocks that have an average daily volume of 5 lakh shares. Fifth, then start sourcing through the news for catalyst that is already explained. Sixth, start to put together a watch list, that is the stocks of will monitor during the trading day. By 9:15 am when the bell rings, your watch list and plans will be ready. For this you need a scanner. There are many paid scanner, but I will show you a free scanner for stock selection. Let's go for the Google search. Put here the Fatapat stock scanner. Okay. Click here. Uh, Click here to open free Fatapat scanner. Okay, this is a free scanner for basic options, and for premium option it is paid, but we don't require any paid version. We in this free version we can scan the stocks. Please see here. I have talked about the gap percent of minimum 2% up or down. We can search here by clicking this. Okay, we can by click this short Z2A. Okay, short sheet Z2A. In this you can say this is 1% gap up. Okay, the Tata Chemical is 1% gap up, but we need to minimum 2% of gap up or gap down. See if any gap down. Yes, the LT is gap down minus 2.29%. We can take this is around also 2%. We can take these stocks, this ICICI Bank, JSW Steel and L&T. After selecting these stocks, you can put in your watch list. Okay. In this also you can see the volume. It is the volume column. It is the relative volume column. Okay. You can show the volume. It is if more than 100%, then it's okay, fine. The volume and the relative volume is okay for us. Okay. This scanner you need to scan at 9:05 to 9:10 am in the morning, because it is delay somewhat 5 minutes to 10 minutes. No issue. We have to scan the stocks only, na? Okay. In this scanner, you have also scan which is the which is in the pivot, which is in the live market. You can show which in the pivot. See here, it is above pivot, below pivot. In live market, it also shows the which is on the pivot. Okay, here are many columns. You can see. You can filter also stocks by this criteria also. Okay, it is the it is the moving average. That is the screen if moving average 5 up or down in the daily moving average 13. There is many criteria. This is 200 moving average. Okay, see percentage deviation from 200 moving average. In this many features you can. This is the stocks. This and this is the rating. You can search only. You can identify only which are A. The category is A. By you can filter by removing this only A. Okay. Then A stocks are friendly stock. It is highly traded stocks. Okay. This is the sector. This this is the price. Okay. This is open. This is high, low. This is percentage change. Okay. But we need to consider on gap percent. Okay. You can also use this scanner as daily candle scan. Okay, these are the I will make another video for this how to see this scanner. But for stock scanning, you first have to consider on the volume and the relative volume and the gap percent. Okay, which are more than 2% gap up or gap down. We have to identify these stocks. After identifying, we have to see any news on this. Okay, any news, you have to see L&T. How to see the, you have to go see the news. You have to provide news on L&T. L&T. L&T is the Larsen and Tabro. Okay, then here you have to find the L&T Finance wages for 50 million right issue. By L&T target price this. L&T Finance plans to raise through the rights uh, 3,361 crore through a right issue. These are the fundamental catalysts. Okay, then you have to trade on this. Okay, by trading this, you can see the gap up or gap down. If it is gap up, if the new if it is gap down but the news is good, then it would be gap up. but you need to trade with stop loss. Stop loss is must. Okay. Okay. This is the trading view platform. In this is the Fatapat stock screener platform. Okay. In day trading, you must avoid stocks that are heavily traded by computers and institutional traders, have small relative trading volume, are penny stocks, and are therefore highly manipulated, and don't have any reason to move, that is, no fundamental catalysts. Success in day trading comes from risk management. Find low risk entries with a high potential reward. The minimum win to lose ratio for me is 2:1. The absolute maximum a trader should risk on any trade is 2% of their account equity. You must avoid risking more than 2% on a trade. Your broker will buy and sell stocks for you at the exchange. Your only job as a day trader is to manage risk. You cannot be a successful day trader without excellent risk management skills, even if you are the master of many effective strategies. You can go also in NSE site, that is nseindia.com. In NSE India, you can check market data with pre-open market. Okay. In pre-open market, you have to check this with the final quantity. You have to sort with final quantity with descending. Okay. In this descending, you have to first stock you are seeing the SBIN. It is more than 3 lakh quantity, that is 3,26,118 quantity traded in pre-open market with a capital of 74,73,692 in lakhs. Okay. You can also take GIL. Okay, Tata Motors, this is highly traded volume in pre-open market, NTPC, IUC. Okay. After seeing this, you have to check in Fatapat stock screener which stocks are in gap up or gap down. You have to in Fatapat stock screener, you have to check, like you are clicking here with sort Z to A. Okay, you have to sort Z to A. In this, you have check the four stocks are gap up with more than 2%, that is BHEL, SBIN, Device Lab and Tata Motors. Okay. After you have to put this BHEL, SBIN, Device Lab and Tata Motors in your watch list. After taking this, you have to check any news on SBIN or BHEL. You have to check any news on SBIL, like providing in Google search. Lot news on SBIN. Here you see the SBI price down in economics time. You have to check this news in this news quickly, and you have to check news on BHEL like this. Okay, Bharat Electronics Limited news on. You have to check this news on economics time. Yeah, any other news you have to read this, and you have to trade with stop loss. Okay, strictly stop loss. These are the stocks in play. If there is any catalyst, mean any news, then you have to choose as a intraday stock in your watch list. Okay. Today is this much. Thank you. Thank you, friends.